Today on Kitchen Dads, we're doing portobello stuffed sweet potatoes. Really great, succulent sweet potatoes stuffed with sauteed portobellos and peppers and onions. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. Recently, we've had some requests for some more vegetarian dishes. So this is like a really nice, hearty meal, really, a meal and a potato. So we're gonna take medium-sized sweet potatoes. We're gonna take 4 of them. So we're gonna make 8, it can be 4 servings, or if you're gonna do this with the side of something else, it'd be half serving. But we want 4 medium sweet potatoes. Now you can put these in the oven and bake them. You can put them, take a fork and puncture them a little bit. You're gonna put them in the oven for 425 for about 25-30 minutes until they're tender. If you don't wanna wait that long, I would suggest you wrap them in plastic wrap. Put them in the microwave for about 8 to 10 minutes, about the same type of thing. They'll be nice and soft, right? And then what we're gonna do for a stuffing, the portobello mushrooms. If you got the big portobello mushrooms, it's about 3 of them. If you got these baby bellas, it's about 6 to 10, all right? And then we're gonna mince these because we're gonna saute these with some onions and some peppers and put that in the filling and top it off with a little cheese. It's gonna be really good. So a tip here, break off the stems. And then you can turn this sideways and then slowly cut through it once or twice, depending on how thick it is. And then you can just cut it into strips, turn it, and you got some great sized portobello pieces. They're gonna shrink up a little bit because you're gonna saute them. So we'll do the rest of these. Remember, just once or twice. And don't worry about a perfect chop. We'll go back through with a knife. All right, let's go saute these. We're gonna go to the pan. All right, we got medium high heat. We're gonna coat the bottom of the pan with some olive oil, probably 1/4 cup. We're gonna throw in garlic cloves and 1 medium onion chopped. We're gonna saute this for about 3 minutes, move it around until the onions start to become translucent, a little clear. Right now we're gonna add in our portobellos. And we're gonna add in 1 chopped pepper. I like different colors, so I used a half a red and a half a orange here. We're gonna mix this up. And then we are going to saute it for about 8 minutes. Okay, it's been about 7 or 8 minutes. Our portobellos have cooked down nicely. Let's go ahead and then stuff those potatoes. Sauteed our mixture. We have our sweet potatoes we've cut in half. Now we have to get ready to stuff them. So we need to make some room. We need to take a fork and kind of fluff up the interior a little bit and make some room for our stuffing. So I'm going to take out a little bit of the center of the sweet potato. We can use that for something else. But I usually like to make a little bit of a small boat or a well. All right. And then don't forget, like I said, we don't want people digging for it. We want to make it easy. So we're going to go through and just kind of, with a fork, this on the side. We're going to line up our sweet potatoes on the pan. We're going to bring over, let's do it this way. All right. And then we're going to fill in our little spaces. Always going to have a little spillage. All right. Now, to finish this off, we are going to take a little bit of cheddar cheese, because everything's better with cheddar. And we're going to just put a little cheddar on top. Put your oven to 425. We're gonna put them in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes, just so the cheddar melts and incorporates itself into those mushrooms and peppers and onions. All right, let's stick this into the oven. If you want to deal with the mess, you can put a piece of parchment down, and then you really have no cleanup. So let's go do that. All right, we're gonna stick one here for me. Grab a fork. Let's give this a shot. Right off the bat, you get the portobello mixed with the onions, the pepper, and then you get the creaminess of the sweet potato. It goes together really, really, really nice. It's portobello stuffed sweet potatoes. You are going to like this. Make it for your next time you have some vegetarian friends over, or if you feel like it's going to be a little more healthy, give it a shot. Go out, cook something.